We were moving on our bicycles in the vicinity of Suceava when on the road we were ambushed by a motorbike with 3 people. They stopped us at the gun point, snatching our phones, searching us, and quickly left after a few minutes. Local people helped us, took us to the gas station and called the police. After a few minutes the police came.
Very quickly.
Yes, it was very reassuring. They were all very professional and took care of us. After another few minutes, SSP of the district, Mr. Halik, came and explained to us how we will proceed. He offered us his support, even his accommodation. We are very happy with everybody involved.
They really did a great job. They really support us, and once again they showed the hospitality of Pakistani people.
They even provided us with replacement
phones.
phones, so we could contact our families if we needed. So yeah, we really are very grateful to the police for their job, and we are impressed at how quick they proceed. They even updated us on...
Yeah, and we know they work very hard on this problem now, and they keep us in touch, so we are really overwhelmed by this is amazing for us, how they proceed.